What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Binance's auto invest feature. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways that you can go ahead and beat the current bear market, and in the future next bull market you are going to be even stronger than ever. Of course, with all my Binance videos, it's best if you pause the video right now, go ahead down below, make yourself an account, use the free bonus which I've arranged especially for you, and then follow along on this video and any of the other videos on my channel. So without any further ado guys, sit back, relax and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. If you haven't already subscribed, then definitely do so and tick that notification bell and let me know in the comments, and I'm giving away $200 every single week, and you can enter to win that simply by doing those things right now. So Binance Auto Invest feature, what is it? It basically uses the dollar cost average principle, which is to invest money over a period of time regardless of the price, rather than just investing a lump sum or a lump capital into crypto or whatever it may be. So once you've gone ahead and made your Binance account using the link down below, all you have to do is log into Binance and go over to the earn section right here. Right here you'll see the new icon, depending on when you're watching this, and it says auto invest. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be taken to the auto invest page. You may be thinking, Jack, I still don't understand the benefits of why I should use Binance Auto Invest. So yes, you could in effect auto invest yourself without using Binance. However, Binance makes it extremely easy. You can do one of two ways. You can either A, auto invest from the USDT or BUSD that you've already got on your Binance account, or B, I think they've got a credit card implementation, so you can actually go ahead and auto invest by buying crypto with your credit card, and I'll show you that just a little bit later. But they make it extremely easy and streamlined to do so, and you can choose your flexible investment periods. For example, you want to invest hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, whatever it may be, and it makes it incredibly easy. And down here you can even see the previous returns which you could have made. Of course, take these with a little bit of salt. We can see like BNB 600% over the 3 years. We see Solana 288%. These are the previous ones. Whether you think these cryptos will go back to these prices all-time high or not, that depends on your opinion and your outlook of the crypto market. But for example, we can see 7 days BNB minus 46%, minus 0.46%, 3 months 3%, and this really is something for a long term, in my opinion. If you want to access this money within 6 months, this probably is not the thing for you. Auto invest is not the thing for you. This is the kind of thing you just set and forget, and over the next like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, you just leave it and it's slowly auto investing and building your portfolio. So before we get any further, I want to explain about what is auto investing and what is dollar cost averaging. So dollar cost averaging is basically if you have a lump sum of money or you have a target that you want to reach, rather than just investing it all at once, you buy over time. Let's say, for example, you want to buy Ethereum. It's January, let's pretend it's January 2022, Ethereum is around $4,000. Rather than just buying Ethereum at $4,000, if you have a large sum of money, or you know that you want to invest in Ethereum over time, rather than just buying Ethereum at $4,000, you can set Binance Auto Invest to invest over the next 6 months. So January 2022, we have Ethereum at $4,000, but however, in the next 6 months, in June of 2022, Ethereum was around about $1,500 or $2,000. Let's say it was $1,500. So you've been buying every single month from January to all the way to June for 6 months, and rather than buying Ethereum at $4,000, rather than buying it at $1,500, you get around about an average price, which would probably be around $2,500, somewhere in that range. And you may say, Jack, well, why would I want an average buying price of $2,500 when I could have just bought it at $1,500? Well, hindsight is a great thing, and probably you and maybe many other people out there have no clue when the bottom of Ethereum or whatever crypto you want to auto invest into, don't know when that's going to be. And that's the beauty of auto invest. It takes the stress out of it and lets the money work for you without even thinking about it. So let's see how we can in fact go ahead and invest. First of all, once you've made your account using my link down below to secure that bonus, we can see there are different options. First of all, we see all the cryptos that they have available with more right there if you want to see more options. And they also have a portfolio auto invest, which we can see right here. This is something extremely interesting because if you click create plan, you can then add coins to your portfolio. For example, BNB, VeChain, I want some Ape, I want some Polkadot, Cardano, I want some Chainlink. You can click confirm, and then you select the amount that you want to invest for this portfolio, and Binance automatically does it for you. This is an amazing way if you are a beginner to go ahead and invest in crypto over a long period of time. You can also auto-populate it as well, and this will auto-populate it. I'm not sure on what parameters, but yeah, if you don't want to choose it yourself, you can auto-populate it. So this portfolio auto-invest is definitely something interesting over on Binance. I think it's an amazing feature that really takes the stress and pain and can make you a lot more profitable when we come around to the next bull market. If you wanted to invest in a certain thing, for example, BNB right here, over 1 year, you just click create plan. It will take your available USDT balance. I have around $2,400. Or you can select buy with credit card if you didn't want to use your USDT balance, which is an amazing feature which not many exchanges in fact offer. Then we can come down here and select daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or hourly. You may think, why do I want to invest hourly? Well, let's say you have $1,000 and you want to get it into Ethereum over the next kind of day. Rather than just buying Ethereum at the current price, maybe you think the price is going to change, maybe the merge is coming up, which has already happened, and you don't want to miss out on that price movement. You can simply select here 8 hours and go ahead and buy every single 8 hours. Just be careful on what plan you set it on, because you don't want to set it on 1 year, create plan, and then you buy every hour for every 8 hours or every hour for 1 year. I mean, it depends how deep your pockets are, but definitely mine are not that deep. Not this bear market anyway, that's for sure. So yeah, probably the best thing to do is select weekly, for example, every Monday or every Friday. It will go ahead and buy a set amount, and you can select the amount that you want to buy. For example, $100 right there. Every Friday it will buy $100, and that is a great start. You can do that with the auto invest portfolio, or you can do it with something like BNB or BTC. It then said created time, which is now, the amount $100, and the first auto invest date, which is on the 14th, which is not so far away. This will then go ahead and automatically invest based on your current balance right there, or you can select with credit card if you wanted to. This is an absolutely amazing way to go ahead and invest in crypto, to start a portfolio if you are a beginner. If you are a beginner and you haven't seen my beginner's Binance tutorial, if you just click the icon of my channel down below, you can go to the home page and see all the trading tutorials I've made for Binance, BitGet, whatever it may be, all the trading tutorials right there at your will, and you can watch them in your own time and go ahead and learn amazing things from them. I have a Binance tutorial as well, a beginner's guide, and many more. So that's been Auto Invest on Binance. I think if you are not using it, you could be missing out in the next bull cycle, because you can be automatically buying during the bear market when we have cheaper prices. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.